the race on Motor Storm Blast from the outside. Jacqueline's Diamond damang ligaw. Speedmaker to take the lead. Speedmaker damang ligaw po. Prince Papay is running by Droll Nas on the outside. Jacqueline's Diamond, Gobernador, and the favorite Raon running in 7th position, this time taking the 4th spot and still moving up. As they race the last 750, Speedmaker, Prince Papay, Raon barreling down on the inside, and Russia Bichuay to Nas, Prince Papay, Raon, Foxy Snows to grab the lead, right to on the outside, Raon, Prince Papay coming back on the outside, Prince Papay, Raon by the right to on the further outside, last 400, Prince Papay on the outside, Raon by the rail, Prince Papay, Raon is running by the rail, Prince Papay, Raon down on the inside, Raon, Prince Papay, right to on the outside, Raon, Prince Papay, Raon, and finally it's Raon, Prince Papay, right to Gobernador, Jacqueline's Diamond, 10 perfecta.